Okay, in multiplying mixed number, so it's the same. We have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. By how? So by multiplying, for example, 5 and 1 half. So we multiply 2 times 5 plus 1, that is 11 over 2 times. So you do the same with 2 and 1 third. So 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7 over 3. And after that, so you just directly multiply 11 and 7. So what is 11 times 7? That is 77. And then you do the same with 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 directly. So that is 6. And after that, you have to put it back into mixed number by dividing 77 by 6. So if you do the long division, this is how it goes. So 7 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 7. And then how many 6 can you make from 7? So that is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. So therefore, when you simplify 77 divided by 6, the answer is 12 and 5 over 6. That is 12, 5 over 6. And that is the simplest form when you multiply 5 and 1 half times 2 and 1 third. Okay? That's all. Bye.